So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit your account name here on the MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened up, make sure you're on the home screen. So if you're on rewards, for example, just go to the bottom left and press on home. And in the top left where it says account 1, if you wanted to change that to a specific account, I'll show you how to do that. So press on in the top left account 1 right here. If I wanted to change account 1, I'll go to the press on account 1, go to the three dots beside it, and where it says account name, select on that and you can change it. So I will just change this to primary account as an example. And if that looks good, press on confirm. Now if you were to go back here in the top left, as you can tell, you've now changed the name of your account, in my case, to primary account. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit your account name on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.